Welcome to the Editing a CommonSpot TextBlock video. This video will highlight several options for formatting the content in a text block. To log into CommonSpot, enter your username and password, then click the login link. Navigate to the page that you want to edit. Click the View drop-down and select Work on this page. Click the gray widget of the text block you want to edit. Click the pencil icon to open the dialog box. The title and subtitle are optional. The title uses an H1 tag, which is a large size font. The subtitle does not use any heading tags, but the style is different from the content section text format. The content section is required. In this most recent version, Paperthin, the company that makes CommonSpot, included many more toolbar options than in previous versions. However, some of these options, such as strikeout, will eventually be removed from the toolbar since they don't meet Section 508 and ADA compliance. Please contact your webmaster if you're unsure about using any of the formatting options. Begin typing or copy and paste from another application, such as Microsoft Word. There are built-in style sheets in CommonSpot, so please remove all formatting before you paste text. On a Windows PC, you can use Notepad, and on a Mac, you can use Notes. The default format style is normal. You can bold selected text and use italics. Use underlines sparingly, as these can be confused with hyperlinks. You can use a numbered list, also known as an ordered list, or a bullet list, also known as an unordered list. To make text stand out from the default normal style, click the Format drop-down and choose a heading style. If you entered a title, follow with an H2 tag. Think of the heading tags as outline styles. H1 is top level, H2s will follow, and, if necessary, use an H3 tag as an outline underneath an H2. Do not follow an H1 with an H3 simply because you like the style. The web page will become difficult to navigate for people with visual impairments if they're on a heading 1 line of text and then navigate to a heading 3 line of text. What happened to the heading 2 text? To create a hyperlink, select the text, click the link icon, and choose from one of the following. Choose Page for an internal American University CommonSpot page. If the page name or location changes, CommonSpot will correctly redirect the user to the page without it becoming a broken link. Click Choose from Current Subsite, locate the page, and click Use Highlighted Content. If the web page that you want to link to is not located on your default site, click the Subsite Site drop-down and select the site from the list of all American.edu websites. If the site contains subsites, click the plus sign to expand the folder, select the subsite, and click the filter button to refresh the page display. Then select the page and click Use Highlighted Content. Choose Uploaded Document to link to a PDF that has already been uploaded to your site. When you click Choose from Current Subsite, a list of only the PDFs that have been uploaded to your site will be displayed. Select the desired PDF and click Use Highlighted Content. You can also upload a new PDF and link to it at the same time by selecting New Uploaded Document. Click Insert Link, click Choose File, and locate the PDF file on your computer. Enter a title and description of the PDF, and then choose Save to upload the file to CommonSpot. The email link option will launch the default mail program on the computer and fill in the To field in the email with the address that you typed in the email field. Select Unregistered URL if the link is external to the American University website. Be sure to include http:// at the beginning of the address, otherwise CommonSpot assumes the web page is an internal one and will add www.american.edu to the beginning of the website name, which will generate a 404 not found broken link message. A text block can have one photo or one quote by using the Photo or Quote tab. If you include both, only the photo will display. CommonSpot will resize a too large photo and make it smaller, but it will not make a smaller photo larger. On the Photo tab, select Choose to locate the image if it was previously uploaded to your subsite. Select New and follow the steps to upload a new image to your subsite. It's extremely important that an appropriate description is entered in the alternate text field. This descriptive text is read by a browser reader to those who cannot see the photo. Use the Image Quote Layout option to change the layout of the photo or quote. It can span the full width of the container or appear in the upper left or right of the text block. If you included a title, it will appear above the photo or quote. If you'd prefer to have the title below, type it in the content section and change the format to Heading 1. If you use the Insert Image option from the toolbar, you can place the photo anywhere in the text section, and you can insert more than one image. For a particular alignment, such as to the center, left, or right of a line of text, or for help using other attributes of the image tag, please contact your webmaster. Thank you for viewing this video. For additional support, please contact the American University Help Desk by phone, email, or the online self-service portal.